How to create a POF account. So if you want to create a POF account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for POF. Once you've searched, you can go for register, which is here under the POF, and it will take you to the sign up page. So here you need to enter your name and then click on sign up. And here choose your gender and then next, and choose your race and then again next, and enter your date of birth and again click on next, and you need to enter your country and your city and then your state and your postcode. Once you enter all of that, again click on next and then enter your email. So make sure to enter the email address, the correct email address that you have access to, and then again confirm your email address on the next blank and click on next. And then you need to enter a password, or you need to confirm your password. And once you choose your password and your username, you need to click on next. And once you click on next, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create your account on POF. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. For watching.